Hello and welcome to the session of formatting pictures, caption and tables. Let's get started from formatting pictures. If you have pictures in your document, you may want them to look as good as possible. You can make a few adjustments by adding an effect or changing the color or just applying the border. First, I'm going to show you to crop to different size. To do this, first select the picture you're going to modify. This will open the Format tab. In the Format tab, there is different options in different groups that can help you to change or to modify your image. For crop option, you may click your picture in a format group in a size. You go in a crop option. You may click on crop option. You see the handling series helps you to format or to crop to different size. This gray part is a part which is cropped out. To confirm cropped out, you may click anywhere in the document or you may hit the enter button from the keyboard. As you see, our image is in a rectangular form, so that you can change from rectangular or square form to another shape. To do this, you may also come to Format tab. In a size group in a crop option, you may hit the cropped shape button. This will bring different shapes so that you can choose the shape of your wish. Then another one, it's about color theme. For the color theme, you can change the color of the picture to improve quality or match document content. You may click on it or by selecting color saturation or by changing the color tone or by recolor. Let us choose the color tone. And then you may see this one in artist effects, where the effect is where the photo it looked like painting or an illustration. Let us choose this one. Let us choose this, so it looked as painting or an illustrator. Then for picture styles, this helps us to add frames or add an effect from picture effect or add picture borders. Let us apply this one by adding shape frame, or by changing the color of the frame. Let us use this, or by changing the color effect. For the color effect, we can use shadow. And then for the color effect, you can use also 3D. For this 3D, either to make this one or like this one, to depend on what you want. And then also you can apply also reflection. For the reflection, you look, there is a shadow and there is a reflection also. Then we have finished to have our picture style. Then you can go for the compress. Compress is inside the adjusted group. Before you send your document, you may want to compress the picture. This makes the file a small size so the document will be easier to email or post on the website. Step to apply this: you select the image. After selecting, you click on compress command, and then this dialog box of compress command help us to do different options to our image. For the resolution, the email offers the lower resolution, so it will have the smaller possible file size. You may click here on this option named as use document resolution, so that the image can be having small size, having small possible resolution. And then also, now you may also click on email for minimizing document size when you need to share it. After this, you can click on OK for confirming what you have applied on your image. And then now you know how to format pictures in Word documents. Do practice with the option we have talked about today, with so many tools at your disposal. You can do all kinds of creative things with your image. Okay, let us also go ahead with caption. What caption is? For the caption, as you see an image and the word written next to the image, it's caption. So it's a small text found in here an illustrator or picture that gives the reader important information about the picture. Let's get started. When you have picture in your document, click on that picture. Let us use this picture that don't having the caption by clicking on it, and once it's selected, go in reference. In a caption group, click on insert caption. It brings the caption dialog box, which helps us to complete or to type caption image. This is an adult giraffe that use his neck to reach the leaves. As you see, our caption having a label known as table, so we can label it. We can apply new label by typing image and then OK. So it means that it has an image, and then you can choose the position either above or below. Sorry, let us choose above, and then you can delete this label by clicking on this button. As you see, it's changed from figure so that we can also return back to image. And then you can also numbering your caption image from the chapter or including chapter headings, and then confirm OK. And then after completing this caption dialog box, you can click on OK for confirming what you have applied on your image. And then also you can change the caption image into another style. For doing this, you go in a home, in a styler, in a down drop arrow, you may click there. You see that our caption image is in a red color, so that we can do right click to modify. And then you go in the font color. You can change color of your caption by clicking on the color of your wish and then hit OK. Guys, we have finished to create the caption image so that it describes our image in detail. And then also the next, we can try to create caption table. Let us create here our caption table. First of all, you have to go in Insert tab and then click on Table. Go in Insert Table command, or you can use Grid. Let us use Grid for inserting table, so that we can use procedures that we use to create caption image by entering into reference in a caption group. You can go to caption and then we choose the caption table by typing this is the tables of figures, the table of figures. And then once you finish, you click on OK. So we have finished to create our caption table. Then next, it's about to create table. Let us start by creating table by using Insert menu, Table. You can create table that are having three different. You can use Grid, you can use Insert table, you can use Create table. So that let us use Insert table by completing the number of rows and columns. Then once you finish, you click on OK. So I finished to create a table, and then we are going to modify table. Let us use this one. For modifying a table, you can adding rows and columns. For adding rows, you click in a table. This plus sign helps us to add another column. Okay, for adding row, you may click at the end, at the last row, at the right corner, and then hit the enter button. Okay, and then we have finished to add rows and columns. And then how can you delete rows and columns since you create them accidentally? You first select the row you are going to delete, to right click, choose delete columns, and then when you want to delete row, you select it and then you do right click, you choose delete cells, and then you click on no delete entire row. Then how can you change table style? This done in a design table, in design tab inside the table tools. You click on it and then in a table style, you go in down drop arrow, you choose table style of your wish. And then when you want to merge cells, it means to combining main cells into one cell. Let us merge this one. Let us merge this cell. You select two cells you are going to merge, and then you do right click, you choose merge cells. As you see, our cells are combined into one cell. And once you want to increase the size of your table, you place the cursor at the end of the row, and then you expand or you extend the table, and then you go in the layout menu and then you click on distributed rows. As you see, our table having the same size as columns as rows. And then we have practicing about format pictures, caption and table. So it's your task, or it's your turn to do lot of other options to explore, and make sure you give them a try on your own. Thank you guys for watching.